Residents in New Jersey have been reporting seeing large and medium sized objects flying in their neighborhood with similar sighting in Virginia. Since mid November, residents in New Jersey, along with nearby states including Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Staten Island, New York, have been reporting unusual sighting of large and medium sized flying objects. These mysterious objects, which many locals believe to be drones, have been spotted at low altitude, sometimes in clusters, and displaying odd lightning patterns that have left observers puzzled and concerned. The first notable reports came from Morris County, New Jersey, where local residents began noticing strange aerial activity on November 18. The sighting quickly gained attention as more individuals from surrounding areas, including Staten Island, parts of Pennsylvania, and Virginia, reported similar encounters. According to Paul Greer, a New Jersey resident who has been documenting the phenomenon, some of the objects appeared to resemble small planes, but they exhibit unusual lighting and flew in unusually close proximity to another, sparking even more questions about their purpose. Yerk, who has become somewhat of a local authority on the subject, shared his observations, noting that the object appeared to be performing coordinating flight patterns, often appearing in formation over neighborhood at dusk and in the late evening. He also highlighting that while the drone seems to be largely non-threatening, their proximity to residential areas and the fact that they often appeared in the same locations raised alarm. The Federal Aviation Administration's FAA began receiving multiple reports of drone activity from New Jersey residents around the same time, prompting as investigations into the sighting. While the FAA has confirmed that drones were indeed involved, the precise natures of the operations remain unclear. Despite the growing numbers of reports, there has been no confirmations of the drones being part of any official government or military operation. In response to growing public concerns, both the White House and the Pentagon has weighed in on the matter. Officials have stated that there is no evidence linking the recent drone sighting in New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania, and Virginia to any national security or safety threats. However, the lack of clarity on the identity of the drones has not allayed the worries of local citizens and lawmakers. Several elected officials from New Jersey have voiced their concern, urging both local and federal authorities to investigate the situations more thoroughly. While there is no indications of the immediate dangers, some are questioning whether these drones are part of unauthorized surveillance or other activities that could compromise public safety. The White House has reiterated that this time and actions has been taken to address the sighting, as the drones have not demonstrated any hostile or dangerous intent. Nevertheless, with increasing public scrutiny, some lawmakers are pushing for stricter regulations and enforcement to ensure the safety of residents and the proper use of airspace. The FFA continues to monitor the situations, but as of now, no conclusive information has been provided regarding the origin of operator of the drones. Investigations are ongoing, and federal agencies have promised to update the public as more information become available. Until then, local residents remain on high alert, continues to report sightning while hoping for more clarity on what may be a growing mystery in the skies above their neighborhood. So this is me, Tabanda, signing off. So stay tuned and stay with us.